welcome back. Olivia here with Olivia's Romantic Home. In today's video, I have my fam bam here, and we are heading into TJMAXX to hunt for the best fall goodies. Come on, guys. Let's go. Welcome back, Romantic Home family, and welcome if you all are new. In today's video, this is episode 7 in my huge I Love Fall series, and we are going shopping for all of the fall goodies. We're starting out at TJMAXX, and you guys are so blessed because we have my brother Jay and his family in this video, and my sister Gabby. Everybody is in town, and her kiddos are here, and we are going to shop it up and find all the best fall goodies to share with you guys. Look at this. I put the boo in bougie towel. My brother is actually a really bomb shopper. Here's my brother Jay and his daughter Bethany. We have Karis, we have Miss Brooke, we have Miss Katie, and Iskander is over here. Listen, you guys, they killed it helping me find all of the fall goodies. Now, Iskander and my sister and their kiddos are all going to be from London. They're in from London. That was a big trip for them. Here's my brother Jay and his daughter Bethany, and Bethany is one of my super fans. Shout out to Miss Bethany, as well as Karis and Iskander and Brooke. Oh my goodness. So look at all these amazing fall goodies. These are fall soaps, and Jay really helped me find a lot of them. Now, I didn't leave the original audio in because it was kind of chaotic and a little bit noisy in TJMAXX, but we found so many good fall hand soaps. So if you guys need some fun fall hand soaps, go visit your local TJMAXX. I feel like these bottles are so adorable, and once you run out, you could just refill them so easily. Here is my sister Gabby and her husband Amir, and they have a brand new little one. So fun and fabulous. Now, check out these adorable ghosty ghost. Not so spooky. You guys know I don't like the spooky Halloween, but look at this guy. Okay, I'm not really into skeletons, but he's kind of cute. He was $200, a little bit above my price range, but there is some fun little spooky, not so spooky things that I love. I personally love the pastel fall and Halloween. Now look at this black and white striped pumpkin. That is definitely a Mackenzie Childs dupes for sure. They had so many unique goodies as well at our TJMAXX. I love this witch. She's so pretty. She doesn't even really look like a witch. For 20 bucks, if you're into collecting dolls for seasonal decor, she's kind of cute. I feel like she's kind of like a cute version of the Dorothy of the Wizard of Oz witch. Now, Miss Katie found this adorable stacked pumpkin, and we ended up figuring out that it does light up. Now, I love this pillow. I actually had it in my cart. Then I got a little spooked by spending a lot of money on fall when I'm getting ready to send my daughter off to college, and my son and his fiance are getting married. So I've got a lot of big expenses coming up. So we're going to DIY some fall, but these are fun ideas. Check out this adorable pumpkin drying mat. I actually need that because I do my dishes by hand. Iskander found that super cute. Skeleton Bethany found an adorable garland. You guys, there were just so many amazing treats to be found. Oh my goodness. And they had a lot of pink fall Halloween. So if you guys are into those pastel colors, definitely check this out. How cute is that smiling pumpkin? I just like this spooky, not so spooky fall. So fun and fabulous. And a lot of these items were pretty budget friendly. So I am currently on the hunt for a new pink pumpkin mug. I didn't find one at TJMAXX, but I did find this adorable Pooh Bear. So cute. So TJMAXX did have a lot of Disney things in their store, which I thought was super fun. Iskander was jamming on that Snoopy mug. I did put the drying mat and the cute little witch in my cart, and then I did end up leaving them behind for somebody else to find and love. I love that Howdy pumpkin. How cute is that? Again, I'm still a little spooked by, my budget because I've just really got to be so careful with college and a wedding coming up. Okay, check out this adorable gnome. How cute is he or she, I guess, with the pink hat? I don't know. I think she is adorable, and Bethany found this amazing big stacked pumpkin. Now, shout out to Bethany and Karis. I know Bethany watches my videos like every single time they get posted, and Karis does as well. So they're a huge part of this community. Shout out to the girly girls, and my sweet niece Brooke. Oh my goodness, you guys, how adorable are these little pillows? So cute. And yes, we kind of need a nap. We had a really busy day, and can I just tell you guys right now where I am at? It was 100 degrees today. So we definitely enjoyed staying cool in TJMAXX, and the kids and my family were they were such good sports about me shopping and filming in here. Nobody was shy, as you guys can tell. I've got some hams in my family, so maybe keep a lookout for their YouTube channel. Okay, you guys, how cute is this pink pumpkin? Wow, all the little ghosty ghosts, all the little candy corn, all of my favorite things. Let me know, what is your favorite season to decorate for? Right now, I feel like it's fall, but then once it gets to be Christmas, I feel like it's Christmas, and then I feel that way in Easter and Valentine's Day. Anyway, maybe I'm a fair weather seasonal decor friend, but I love all the fall vibes right now. I love that stacked pumpkin with the Hello Kitty. I even thought the little Frankenstein guys were really cute. I love the little ghouls with the boo. Oh my goodness, you guys, just so many fun and adorable goodies. And also, do you guys decorate for Halloween, fall? Do you just kind of mix them together and do a not so spooky, or do you like to go all in spooky? Now look at these puppy dogs. I wish one of them was a terrier and looked like Benji Bear. Would that not be the funniest thing in the world if I came home with a statue of Benji Bear? I don't know what he would do. I think he would definitely probably bark at it. Keep an eye out for Mackenzie Child's pumpkin dupes. If you guys like that look, that black and white striped pumpkin is a dead ringer for some of their goodies. Here is a fun little doggy bed, and then just some more super adorable garlands, and just so many fun, unique things to look at. And TJMAXX is also running a sale on some of their summer decor, which was amazing. Now, who doesn't want that cute little Hello Kitty dressed up like a cute little not so spooky witch? I don't know what I would do with her, but she's so adorable. And I wanted to actually get this for Max and Skylar because it's the little bridal ghost. So I thought that was so super cute. And then here is a black cat. You guys know my black cat Tinky. And I love this little Halloween faux cake. I need to make some fall Halloween faux cakes. Listen, my life is really busy for the next 2 to 3 weeks. So once I come up from air, we are definitely going to be getting our craft on with the baking studio. And I just wanted some of these things so bad. But again, I'm just being super careful and just being very mindful of my budget. Now, I love the Hello Kitty. Oh my goodness. And look at these skulls. Again, I'm not really into skulls, but if you kind of like that thing, they had some really cool ones. They had some amazing little snuggly soft blankets. Look at the little pink witch broom. Oh my goodness, you guys. I just want to go all in on pink fall Halloween. I think it's going to be so cozy and so fabulous. And also this weekend, while all my family is in town, we are going to be doing some amazing fun things. We're having a creek day. Everybody's going to bring some snacks and just hang out as a group. And when we all get together, we just have so much fun. Now, Katie found this gorgeous blanket. She was like, here, feel this. It feels just like a warm, cozy sweater. And Katie's favorite season actually is fall. So that's super cool. So she was really a fall girly and helping me find all the fun, amazing fall things. Check out that scarf for your mantle. How fun is that? Wow. If you're into the skeletons, there was some blinged out goodness going on with that. You guys know I love all the bling. That skeleton even had some bling eyes. Whoop whoop. I guess if we're gonna do skeletons, might as well make them glam, right? Now, how cute is this bag if I need a little tote bag? And I love candy corn. I know some of you guys do not, and I'm so sorry, but this girl right here is a candy corn fan, and Katie is as well. So, and I think her girls probably are if she is. So anyway, and they're such a blessing to me. I took my brother Jay to the gym this morning, you guys, and he wanted to train legs with me. And you guys know I've been getting really into weight training. I do a pretty heavy workout, and he kept up with me so well. So shout out to my brother Jay, and then my sister Gabby and her husband. We all went out and with Jay and Katie and all the kids together. We all went out with my mom and Guy and my pops and everybody. We just all went out and had a really fun dinner at Joe's Crab Shack this evening. So it was really, really just a great day. So I'm just thankful and blessed and honored to have you guys along with me here at Olivia's Romantic Home, sharing in my community and me being able to share my family with you. So let's blow up this comment section with love and blessings for them, because they were such good sports with me filming. And it's just nice that they all travel here where we're at. Now, while we were out shopping around, we found this super adorable little husky, and she's a princess. Her owner just raved on and on about what a good girl she was, but she was just having a little lay down here, and we said, can we pet her? And he was like, well, she's going to be upset if you don't. So here is, I believe her name is Justice, and she is just beautiful. Look at those eyes. Okay, and whoops, this little puppy dog's name is Jubilee, I believe. So I have to right my wrong there. Can't get her name wrong. But now we're into Kirkland. So this is a different store. This is in a different area of my town. But they have some really fun, very traditional Halloween. But also they had some cute girly Halloween as well. So if you guys have a Kirkland's in your area, pop over and check things out. Now, I will say that their prices were definitely quite a bit pricier than TJMAXX. So, but they had some really unique stuff. Look at this little witch's feet bag. How darn stinking cute is that? I don't know that I would carry it beyond like maybe a little bit in October, but I think it's just so adorable, you guys. And look at these super cute little pumpkins and pumpkin spider pillows. They had a bunch of sachets, although I do believe personally that Hobby Lobby has the best fall sachets. I have their pumpkin spice one. I have it in my pantry and also in my car, and it just smells divine. I want everything to smell like cinnamon and vanilla and fall baked goodness, all of the things. Now, you guys, these pajamas are absolutely to die for. I wanted them so bad. I think they were 50 something dollars or close to. And again, this girl right here is just having to resist all of the amazing fall goodies. Okay, $44.99. I guess I exaggerated, but look, it has pink candy corn on it, you guys. I can't. I need pink candy corn pajamas in my life. Now that's a mouthful. Try to save that 10 times. Katie had a cute idea for this one to pair with some black leggings and some cozy Uggs. How cute would that be? And this one literally feels like a blanket. It's the softest, most cozy. Like you would really feel like you were getting a hug if you wore that blanket. Again, we're still in Kirkland's. They had some amazing candles, and look at this cute little dog toy. I wanted to bring it home to Benji Bear so bad. He doesn't need new toys, though, but that would be so fun. He's so cute. You guys know we love our Benji Bear, and I'm guessing that these are dog toys. I didn't look too close. They had some super cute pillows though. Oh, I fell in love with their pillows, and just some unique treats. I loved this little stacked book. It was pink. It had brews and potions and spells and all of those fun things. So you guys just are gonna have to let me know also in the comment section, what was your favorite fall goodie that you saw? Now these little things caught my eye. I think they're like a mug for a birthday. They say celebrate. Wouldn't it be cute to put a cute little faux cake in that? Now they always bring back these pumpkins that have the initials on them, and I always love them every year. I'm like, oh, I really need an initial pumpkin, and I never get one, but wouldn't it be cute to put by your front door? Now, I absolutely love this ruffled pillow. What I love about it, it's such a great size to put right behind your back. I love their big oversized candy corn. I do feel like this is something we could possibly DIY, and I loved that cute little pearl pillow. They just had really, really cute pillows. It was hard to not go throw pillow crazy in this store. I think this Hocus Pocus broom one is really cute too. I love the flying lessons little pillow. They just had so many cute pillows, even though again I really don't decorate great for Halloween. I do love all the little ghosty ghosts and just the fun sentiment of it. Now, if you guys want a Mackenzie Childs pumpkin check dupe, go to Kirkland's. They were very reasonable. They had all the check pumpkins, but they just had the orange and white and the green and white so far that I saw in my store. So I hope you guys are absolutely loving this and just are so excited for fall. Now I'm going to go ahead and start reading our devotional. Usually I read it where y'all can see me, but we had such a busy day. By the time I got home, I was just too exhausted to get back in front of the camera. So I hope you guys forgive me for that and still enjoy this part of the devotional. It's going to be at the end of this video. You guys can pause it. I'm going to pop it up on the screen, but right now I'm just going to go ahead and read it to you so you guys can relax and listen. If you're following along, it's on the July 21st, and we're reading out of the devotional called He Whispers Your Name by Sherry Hill. So starting out, it says, doubt stirs up your worries. So know that in order to overcome them, you must first face your doubt with faith. You are my child. Therefore, there is no reason to worry. Don't focus on your problems. Let them drive you to my throne and stay focused on me. Trust in my ability to help you. You can win over your worries. Simply turn to me to help you. Worries can be endless because life brings about challenges that are impossible for you to handle, and uncertainty about the future gets the best of you. But your worries have no truth to them. Your worries don't dictate your future, and most of what you worry about never transpires. If you're filled with fear, confused about what lies ahead, and unable to take another step of faith, rely on my promises to you. I've assured you that I am with you always. There's nothing to fear, and that I am a ready help in time of trouble. I want you to cast all of your cares upon me, every thought, burden, and worry that is filling you with fear. Let me handle what you cannot, and trust me for the miracles you desperately need. The scripture that goes along with that says, can all your worries add a single moment to your life? And that's Matthew 6:27. So I hope that this video has blessed you. Thank you for allowing me to share my family with you all. You all are part of my family as well, and I'm so blessed and honored and thankful to have you all here. Until our next video, be kind to yourselves, be kind to one another, and we'll talk to you guys very soon. Bye!